Hey guys, so we all know that replacing your brakes on your Audi SQ5 can cost a fortune. What if I told you that not only can you replace them, but actually get an upgrade for the same price or less than you would pay for the OEM replacements? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Fernando here from Ostar Motorsports. So today we're going to be working on an SQ5. It's a B9 SQ5, and what we're going to be doing is replacing the rotors and pads. So we're going to take the OEM old beat up rotors and replace them with a set of 034 Motorsports upgraded rotors and also a set of EBC yellow brake pads. So I'm going to take you through that and why we chose to go with these rather than the OEM components. So we all know that replacing brakes is something inevitable.
I am inevitable.
We're all going to have to do it sooner or later, whether you own a Honda or an Audi SQ5 like this one here. Now, what's the biggest problem with that? Cost. The parts are going to be expensive and the labor is going to be expensive, especially if you take a German vehicle like this to the Audi dealership to get serviced. Now, our solution is to go with an upgrade that not only will cost less, but also offer more performance. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. We're going to replace the rotors and pads. The rotors are going to be 034 Motorsport, and the pads are going to be EBC yellow pads. Now, what's the benefit here with the pads? Well, these are made of a different compound. That compound offers better friction, and therefore you get better stopping power. So much better. Oh, not to mention that they also last longer than your factory component.
Shut up and take my money.
Now for the rotors, benefits here are they're lighter. They offer these canards here that let the heat dissipate better. They have these billet hats that are anodized, so you no longer will have to worry about the rust that you get with the OEM rotors. And the biggest benefit of all is the savings. Going with this setup here rather than your OEM components is going to save you roughly $1,000. And I don't know about you, but if I tell wife that I saved $1,000 and I was very responsible in my choice of high performance rotors, she'll be happy. So with that being said, let's jump right on it. Let's put these rotors on, pads, and then we'll come right back to you and show you the finished product. So to wrap things up, when it comes down to replacing your pads and rotors, there are options out there. Not only can you get something that's cost effective, but at the same time get something that's high performance. So if you're in the market for that sort of thing, we can help you here at Ostar Motorsports. Just be sure to call us, 407-844-7600. Also, if you want to see more videos or more ways to save, be sure to follow and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.